When we plan for the future, we often focus on family and finances. But what about our pets? Here's a quick checklist to make sure your furry and feathered companions are cared for after you're gone. Step 1. Name caregivers and backups. Choose a primary caregiver, a secondary, and even a no-kill shelter as a safety net. And don't forget, let them know you've chosen them. Step 2. Decide how to fund their care. You can set up a pet trust or simply leave money directly to someone you trust. Step 3. Estimate costs realistically. Multiply your pet's annual expenses by their expected years of life. Talk to your vet or local shelter for accurate numbers. And if you have pet insurance, leave funds to keep premiums paid. Step 4. Write care instructions. Note your pet's diet, medications, routines, and even your preferences for end-of-life care, just like an advance directive for your pet. Step 5. Prepare documents. Leave a simple budget, your vet's contact information, and your pet's medical records with the caregiver. Step 6. Think about the caregiver's household. Other pets, kids, or busy travel schedules all affect how well your pet transitions. And finally, review your plan regularly. As your life and your pet's life changes, your plan should change too. Because pets may be property in the eyes of the law, but they're family in our hearts. Plan for their future with the same care you'd give anyone you love.